We all know how detrimental throwing plastic is to Earth's health. In the US, 50 million bottles of plastic are used and only 23% are recycled. This leaves 38 million bottles to be thrown away.
However, there are many ways to recycle plastic. It can be made into ornaments or small accessories. It can even be made into new machines like air conditioners. Our group made a vacuum cleaner using plastic bottles, a soda can, and a DC motor.
The vacuum cleaner is pretty easy to use. Just connect the battery to the connector, like so, and suck the mess. From then, just open it, and you can throw away the trash. And there you have it, a vacuum cleaner.